Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 252. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 5, 6. 5 here, and 3 here. So this is our 6, 5, 3. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2. Oh, sorry, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. So we've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 6. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 3, 8, 3, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing a 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 6, 7 here, so 4, 6. That means our 7 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. The 1 can't be here or here, so it must be here. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 8. 4 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 6. No help here. 3, 6, 8. 3 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. No help here. 4, 6, 7. 4 here, so 6, 7. So that means the only place the 4 can be in that column is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 3, 6. That means the only place the 9 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 7 and 8 here, so 2, 6. 8 here, so 2, 6, 7. If we look, the only place the 8 can be is here. That makes this our 4, 6, 4. For this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 6. That makes this our 2, 5. That 6 makes this our 3, 8, 6. That 3 makes this our 6. And that 2 and the 6 makes this our 7, 6. And that 6 makes this our 7, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. And to finish out this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.